Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Universal Folding Kayak Seat, a must-have for any water adventure enthusiast. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and waterproof canvas, this seat is both durable and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store in your car trunk. Its ergonomic design, complete with a high back and canvas cushion, ensures exceptional comfort by supporting your back and bottom, while its form-fitting design accommodates all body sizes. The seat is equipped with 4 adjustable strap sets, allowing you to customize the backrest angle for optimal lumbar support and adjust the canvas cushion's tightness for added comfort. Not just limited to kayaks or surfboards, this versatile seat doubles as a premium fishing chair, letting you enjoy your fishing experience with ease. Plus, its good compatibility means you can even take it to sports games to alleviate back pain from sitting on hard bleachers or benches. So, whether you're kayaking, canoeing, rafting, or fishing, this Universal Folding Kayak Seat is designed to enhance your outdoor experience with comfort and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.